Samsung has recently unveiled its latest additions to the Galaxy series, the Galaxy A56 5G, Galaxy A36 5G, and Galaxy A26 5G. These smartphones aim to provide advanced features at integrating artificial intelligence AI capabilities, robust hardware, and extended software support. Shared features across the Galaxy series. Before exploring the individual models, the common features that unify the Galaxy A56, A36, and A26. Display. All three models boast a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Battery. Each device is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, providing substantial usage time. The A56 and A36 support 45-watt fast charging, while the A26 supports 25-watt charging. Durability. The Trio features IP67 water and dust resistance, offering protection against environmental elements. Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Positioned as the flagship of the series, the Galaxy A56 5G offers a premium experience. Processor. It is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1580 chipset, a 4nm processor designed to deliver high performance and energy efficiency. Camera. The device sports a triple rear camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS), a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The front camera is a 12-megapixel sensor, suitable for high-quality selfies and video calls. AI features. Exclusive to the A56 is the Best Face AI feature, which allows users to select the best expressions in group photos, ensuring everyone looks their best. Storage options. The A56 comes with 8GB of RAM and offers storage options of 128GB or 256GB. Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. The Galaxy A36 5G strikes a balance between performance and affordability. Processor. The A36 is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6th generation. Camera. The rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The front-facing camera is a 12-megapixel sensor. AI features. It includes enhanced circle-to-search and object eraser features, improving user experience in photography and daily tasks. Storage options. The A36 offers 6GB or 8GB of RAM, with storage options of 128GB or 256GB. Processor. It is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, suitable for basic tasks and light multitasking. Camera. The rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The front camera is a 13-megapixel sensor. Storage options. The A26 offers 6GB or 8GB of RAM, with storage options of 128GB or 256GB, and it is the only model in the series that supports microSD card expansion. Samsung's Galaxy A56 5G, A36 5G, and A26 5G cater to a wide range of users by offering advanced features, robust performance, and extended software support.